Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crafts with Shamu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hey guys, today let's make some silk thread bangles. They look so traditional and you can see we have 3 different designs over here. A plain design, a semi-beaded design and a full beaded bangle. So let's learn how to do this. Firstly, take a silk thread of your choice and start wrapping around the lid for about 30 times. After you're done, cut in the center and glue both the ends. Now take a thin bangle and glue one end of the thread to it. And start wrapping the thread around the bangle. After you're done, glue the end. This is how it looks. You need to make other bangles this way. In total you need 7 plain green bangles, 2 gold bangles for a set of 12 bangles. Now take your gold bangle and gold beaded chain. Glue one end and start wrapping the gold chain across the bangle. This does take time, so do it carefully and make sure you keep gluing in between to make the bangle sturdy. This is how it looks. You need to make another one similarly and keep them aside. Now take a green silk thread bangle and you need to glue the beaded chain over it. So apply some glue and stick the beaded chain. dried, take around 4 strands of silk thread. Glue one end of the thread to the bangle and start wrapping the thread over the beaded chain. Here's a closer look to see how you need to do it. And if your thread comes to an end in the middle way, glue another thread and start wrapping around. This is how it looks. You need to make another one just like this. And that's it. You're done. This is how your entire set looks after it's arranged. I used few metal bangles over here. If you want, you can only use silk thread bangles altogether. They go perfect for traditional wear, and you can make different bangle sets this way to match all of your clothes. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And until then, meet you in my next video. Happy crafting!